Qingdao Pinoda Electrical Company Limited is a technology-driven enterprise that specializes in R&D, production and service of EV chargers. Our company has a dedicated team of engineers covering software, hardware, and structural engineering. We have our own EMC comprehensive laboratory and R&D office building, and a 5,000 square meter production and assembly workshop with an SMT circuit board processing workshop. We provide efficient global production services, delivering high quality, high efficiency, precision, and security in our products. Our engineers have rich experience in R&D and production of European and American standard charging stations since 2014. Our product line covers portable charger, AC charger, DC charger, power module, cloud management system, and mobile app, all independently developed by ourselves. Our full-range products have been exported to over 32 countries and regions, and we offer OEM/ODM services to support your needs. Qingdao Pinoda Electrical Company Limited is your ideal partner for EV charging stations, driven by dedication to innovation and customer satisfaction. We sell globally and specific focus to comply with the most demanding market, the global market. This is why all our EV chargers fulfill following standards, warranty, and certifications. EN 61851-1-2001, EN 61851-21-2001, EN 62192-2.